Welcome to the Innorate's expert tutorial video. This video aims at discovering the different features offered by this platform. But what is Innorate? Well, in a nutshell, it is about bringing innovation to finance and finance to innovation. Innorate aims to have a pool of qualified experts to conduct deep assessments of companies during the pilot phases. But why? Well, for matchmaking purposes, but also to assess their investment readiness, which is sometimes considered as a prerequisite for the company to participate in the complementary services offered by the Innorate platform. This deep assessment is a very important step in the evaluation process of the company. Experts specialized in a specific industry provide their judgment by manually filling in the different values according to predefined technology rating system indicators. These experts are registered by Innorate administrators and receive a username and a password. With this username and password, they go to the Innorate login page and are able to access their individual profile. Once experts are signed in, they will be redirected to their personalized dashboard, which displays a list of companies who have completed the pre-screening process and have requested a deep assessment. Of course, companies are assigned to experts based on their technological expertise. When experts click on a company to access its profile, the profile will display an overview of the company and the initial pre-screening. They will then have access to the pre-screening report and pre-screening data, but they also get the option to proceed with the deep assessment of the selected company. The assessment data and the Innorate Technological Rating System report are both downloadable in a PDF document just by clicking on Export Pre-Screening or on Expert ITRS Report. To launch the deep assessment, the expert user clicks on Proceed with Deep Assessment. 4 different tabs will be displayed, corresponding to 4 different types of assessment or perspective: the management assessment, the technology competency assessment, the marketability assessment, and the business feasibility assessment. By clicking on Perspective, the expert will see different fields, out of which a list of competency areas to be evaluated. Each competency area has a list of drop-down input fields ranging from A, corresponding to the highest score, to E, which is the lowest one. All inputs must be answered to complete the assessment successfully. Once done, the expert clicks on Save Management Assessment and proceed with the next type of assessment or perspective. Please note that all perspectives must be completed to finalize the assessment. The expert can now click on Finalize Deep Assessment button on the right side of the screen. The full deep assessment report is now ready to be exported and downloaded from the dashboard of the company just by clicking on Export ITRS Report. The expert user will now see the overall Innorate technology score based on the scores from the pre-screening report and deep assessment report for further analysis.